Is Windows 11 updating at the wrong time and slowing down your PC? Here's how to stop or pause updates easily. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tips. First method, this is the most effective to disable Windows updates. Press Windows plus R, type Services.msc and hit enter. Now scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and select Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled, then click Stop to stop the service. For better results, go to the Recovery tab, set First Failure to take no action. This prevents Windows from starting the service automatically. Now click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes. If you don't want to disable updates completely, you can pause them. Go to Settings, then click Windows Update. Click on pause for 1 week. You can click it multiple times to extend the pause. And that's it. Now you know how to disable or pause Windows updates in Windows 11. Like, share and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech guides.